Tired of cleaning taking too long? Here are 5 genius hacks you need to know. Let's go! Number 1. Microwave your sponge. Your kitchen sponge is full of germs. Microwave it for 1 minute. It kills 99% of bacteria. No chemicals needed. 2. Baking soda in the trash can. Trash can smelling bad? Sprinkle baking soda at the bottom. It absorbs odors naturally. So simple. 3. Vinegar in the dishwasher. Dishwasher looking dirty? Pour 1 cup of vinegar into the top rack. Run a hot cycle. It removes grease and smells. For 4. Lemon in the garbage disposal. Got sink odors? Drop lemon slices into the garbage disposal. Run cold water and turn it on. It leaves a fresh citrus scent. Some 5. Towel in the dryer. Want clothes to dry faster? Toss in a dry towel with your wet laundry. It absorbs moisture quickly. Saves time and energy. Which hack was your favorite? Comment below and let us know. Follow 247 every moment for more.